Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce how to install OpenFOAM 25.12 on Windows 11 using Windows Subsystem for Linux WSL. Okay, let's get started. By the way, if you are not sure how to install WSL on Windows 11, feel free to check my previous tutorial. So I will provide the link in the comments below. Okay, first let's open the Chrome browser and let's search OpenFOAM 25. And then let's go to the official website of the OpenFOAM. And then we click download. So we will install it on WSL. Actually it's a Linux subsystem. And we will select Debian and Ubuntu. Okay, here is the the scripts how we can install the OpenFOAM 25. They use the 24.12 as the case, but this script also works for the 25 OpenFOAM 25. Okay, let's keep the browser on the right hand side and then let's open the WSL session. Let's search WSL. Okay. So first we have to add the repo for the OpenFOAM. So I will just copy paste the script. So we need, if you are not an administrator, we need the sudo password to install or add repos. Okay, it's done. Then we need to do an apt-get update to update the repo information. This will be quick. Okay. Now we can start installing the OpenFOAM package. So we remember to change the 24.12 to 25.12. So I will just scroll down a little bit. Say here we have different types of sub packages for the OpenFOAM: the minimalist, the traditional, and everything. So by default, it will install everything, but if you don't have enough disk space, we can choose different subpackages. For example, the minimalist. Okay, I will go ahead to install the OpenFOAM. Okay, do you want to continue? Definitely yes. Yeah, there are a lot of dependent packages, so it will take for a while for everything to be installed. Okay, it is completed without any errors. Here we notice it shows several comments for us. It tells us the different ways to set up the OpenFOAM. So the simplest way is we start an OpenFOAM session, the shell session. Let's just type OpenFOAM 24.12. Oh, sorry, OpenFOAM 24.12. There was a typo. So then here say we entered into an OpenFOAM session. In this session it contains all the servers and the utilities, source code for us to run the OpenFOAM. We can do a quick test. Let's say the simple form help --help. Okay, just the one dash simple form help. So it shows the options for the simple form, means it knows where is simple form. So we are in the OpenFOAM sessions. So everything can be loaded to run our simulations. And okay, and if we want to exit the OpenFOAM session, we just tap exit, EXIT. Now we go back to the default environments. So the OpenFOAM by default it's open in the /user lib OpenFOAM and OpenFOAM version. There is the default directory where OpenFOAM will be installed. So we say there are a number of different subfolders here. So for example, the applications folder includes all the OpenFOAM servers, the bin for binary files, tutorials. The OpenFOAM provides a large number of test cases for us to learn the OpenFOAM. Okay, so and before we run any test code in tutorials, let's install the paraview. Paraview is the visualization tool commonly used by OpenFOAM. So there are still, again, lots of dependent packages. So So again, it takes for a while. It is not a small package. Okay, finally we are done, and now we are ready to run and visualize our simulations. So let's copy some tutorials to our home folder. Okay, copy user /lib /OpenFOAM /tutorials, and so we can see there are many different subfolders in the tutorials folder. Let's starting from the incompressible and echo form, the cavity, and we need use the -r option. So say now the cavity, the whole folders is already in our home folder, and we can start to run the case. So for our convenience, OpenFOAM provides the scripts let us to run the case quickly. So we just type /all-run. So then they will run all the utilities servers for us to simulate the cavity case. Okay, oh sorry, I forgot to go back to the OpenFOAM session. If we are not in the OpenFOAM session, this script doesn't work. So let's run the tutorials. And actually here they provide several different subcases in different subfolders. So the all-run script just run all the different cases. So let's just visualize one of them. We go to the cavity folder, and we type paraFoam. Okay, they will open the windows of paraview, and we apply. So here shows the pressure of the case, and we can switch to, let's say, velocity, and we can we can check the time series of the velocity. Okay, it's very fast, it's just 0.5 seconds. Okay, it's all for today's tutorials. If you have any questions, welcome to leave your comments. So see you next time. Thank you.